From the very beginning, Panasonic has been dedicated to improving people's lives and making the world a better place. Every moment of every day, people all over the world turn to Panasonic to make their lives simpler, more enjoyable, more productive, and more secure. Since our founding almost a century ago, we've been committed to improving people's lives and making the world a better place, one customer, one business, one technological leap forward at a time. Which is why we're excited to announce the availability of Revit Families for many of our products. Whether it's one of our system-leading single or multi-zone system units, controls, or our innovative ECO-i VRF system line, Panasonic is here for you. All of our new Revit Family offerings come with the complete options available to you in the product catalog. Designing with Panasonic HVAC couldn't be easier. Simply select the file or files to be downloaded from our website. Load the family into your project through the Component button on the ribbon along the top of the Revit interface. Click the Load Family button. Then navigate to the folder where the Revit Family was saved. Click and open. Place the new Revit Family in your model where appropriate, depending upon the type. At Panasonic, we take quality seriously, which is why, just like our ECO-i VRF and mini split system units, our Revit Families are innovative and built strong. Each family is painstakingly built with exacting detail in the same way our real products are. Relevant systems parts, valves, and controls are all included. Further, our families offer an unparalleled level of technical information, including architectural dimensions, mechanical performance data, mechanical and electrical installation requirements, and energy analysis information, just to name a few. Lastly, we've optimized this content on a detail-dependent basis. So whether your drawing scale requires coarse, medium, or fine detail, our Revit Families are ready for you. All this built-in data at your fingertips means your models will have the information necessary to utilize the power of Revit through scheduling, making equipment lists, installation requirements, estimated costs, and energy information just a click away. As mechanical experts, at Panasonic, we also strive to provide you with smarter content out of the box for your projects, giving you access to all the important information you can think of within a few clicks of the mouse. Data and resources like product literature, specifications, and mechanical data are right there, baked in. Our goal at Panasonic is to make your workflow as a designer more efficient, saving you time and money by offering you smarter content for your drawings. We're confident you'll find the quality, craftsmanship, and performance of our products to be unmatched. Combined with the seamless integration of our Revit models, you'll have all the tools you need at your fingertips to give your client the best possible mechanical systems on time and on budget. Visit our website at business.panasonic.com/HVAC to download our models today or learn more. Panasonic HVAC, a better life, a better world.